On medium to low flame, oil as required. Deep fry the potatoes in batches. Once done, drain excess oil and place them on an absorbent paper. On medium to low heat, place the flattened dough, let cook for a minute. Flip over, using a spatula press the edges. Flip over a few times and cook till the paratha turns crispy and golden brown in color. Transfer to a plate. Spread mayonnaise all over the paratha. Layer over the sliced chicken tenders. Some French fries. Then the chili garlic sauce. Roll up the paratha. Wrap in paper. Serve with extra fries and sauce. Enjoy!